Kakigori, or shaved ice, is one of Japan's most popular summer festival foods. But there are some restaurants which have taken things to a whole nother level.
So in no particular order, here are 5 of the best. Parlor Vinefru Ginza is nestled nicely just on the outside of the fashionable Ginza district. A few minutes walk from the top name stores and a perfect place to take a rest from shopping. Parlor Vinefru is also famous for their pancakes and fruit vinegar drinks. We had the Choco mint espuma kakigori, which is layered with refreshing blueberry fruit vinegar. A top option for the health conscious is the mixed fruit vinegar kakigori. The fruit vinegars and herbariums are available to buy as souvenirs. Otono Kurogi in Ueno is a stylish place for traditional Japanese sweets. And you can't get much more traditional than kinako and azuki, soybean powder and red beans. The edamame milk kakigori is also a delight, smooth and creamy all the way down. There's also more sweets than kakigori. Try the wawabi mochi. Believe it or not, this is also a kakigori. Sebastian, a little over 10 minutes from Shibuya Crossing, is known for their kakigoris which look like cakes. Cut open this mango yogurt and cashew nut shortcake and you'll find not sponge, but ice crystals. Definitely one for your Instagram feed. We also tried the lemon and mixed berry rare cheese kakigori. Traditional in shape, but exquisite in taste. What better place than the nightlife hub of Roppongi for an adult take on kakigori? Open from 11 AM to early morning, yellow could be your pre or post-drink stop. The menu is varied and always changing. We had tiramisu and watermelon with lots of toppings. But from the evening, you can get yourself a cocktail kakigori. How about Kahlua milk flavor? Our final stop is Kakigori Kobo Seka in Sugamo on the Yamanote Line. Despite being in Tokyo, it gets its ice made from the water of Mount Fuji and is produced in a way that keeps the ice dense and harder to melt. We tried the green tea kakigori, made with green tea milk, chocolate and cream, and without the regular green tea bitterness. The hojicha kakigori is also a treat with its delicious soy cream topping. For all the stores featured in this episode, check out the description below for links and directions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're in Singapore, you can grab Japanese goods at Nomi Japan in North Point City or Marina Square. Only $2 each. Atsui! Netsushou ni kiyotsukete.